Okay, so we have a Toshiba L500 and the model number, exact part number is PSLS6A-00X013. So I'm going to replace the screen, and if you want to replace it cheap ways, you can just go on eBay, buy same model laptop, and yeah, you can just swap it over. Alright, so first of all, what you have to do is just remove this full screw cover. Just pull it out. And then you need Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to use my drill. Just want it to do it faster. Right, then you slowly pry it open. Just put your hands underneath. Like that. Okay. Then you have small screws. You need to open that. Same on the other side. You have small screws. Last one. There's the harder way. You can also do it by removing a lot of screws from here, but this is the easiest ways you can do it. That's it. Careful with the cables, you don't want to snap that. Just push it back. So what you do, you just remove this little tape like that. Lift it up a little bit so you can pull it back here. It comes right off. And this is the exact model if you want to buy your screen based on part number. Yep. And I'm not going to go through putting replacement screen because, you know, it's the same process but just in reverse. Alrighty,